Hello everybody, welcome to judycentral.com online classes for law exams. So today I will be discussing with you the previous year question paper of UKPSC, that means Uttarakhand Public Service Commission Assistant Public Prosecutor exam, which is going to be held very soon. So let me give you a brief idea about this examination. So this examination is actually conducted in two stages. First is known as preliminary and the second stage known as mains examination. And if I talk about the prelims examination, you will be having two papers. Paper 1 will be having questions related to general studies and paper 2 will be having questions related to law subjects. And if I talk about the timings, each paper will be having 1.5 hours and the maximum marks will be 100 in each of these two papers. And rest of the syllabus I would be discussing with you in a separate session. So in this session I would only be focusing the general studies questions that these examinations generally ask to the students. So let us see the questions, and there will be a total number of 100 questions in this paper. So let us start. So this question paper is actually of the year 2019. The last held examination before 2021. So let us see. Question number 1. On February 29, 2016, who took over as the chairperson of National Human Rights Commission NHRC? So I'll give you the answer about the present chairman of the NHRC. So presently Mr. Arun Kumar Mishra has been appointed as the chairperson of NHRC, who also has been the Chief Justice of India. Question number 2. Which country won the T20 Asia Cup 2016 organized in Bangladesh? The correct option is option number D, India. The last held T20 Asia Cup was in the year 2018, in which India again won this cup, defeating Bangladesh by 3 wickets, and the next Asia Cup will be held in the year 2023 and the venue is not decided yet. Question number 3. In early months of 2016, which state conducted Panchayati Raj elections in which matriculation was fixed as the minimum educational qualification to fight for election? This is option number B, Haryana. There is also a leading case law which is known as Rajbal and others versus state of Haryana. In that judgment of the Supreme Court, the Honorable Court has actually upheld the decision of the Haryana government for fixing the minimum eligibility criteria to contest panchayat elections. Question number 4. Which country's parliament became first in the world to run entirely on solar power in February 2016? This is option number A, Pakistan. 5th. From which of the following countries will India buy fighter jets Rafale? So the option is option number C, France. Already the fleet of Rafale has been inducted in the year 2020, and Rafale is actually manufactured by Dassault Aviation Company of France. 6. In which city of India was first monorail was tested in February 2014? This is option number B, Mumbai. Then question number 7. Which city has become the permanent venue for the international film festivals in India? This is option number A, Goa. 8. To which country Madheshi agitation is related? So this agitation was actually captured the limelight of the entire world, and the Madheshi these people actually belongs from the country of Nepal. 9th. The right chronology of Sak Samvat month is, so Sak Samvat is actually similar to the Georgian calendar, and this this Sak Samvat also has 12 months like Georgian calendar. So the correct sequence will be option number D, Jest, Bhadra, Pos and Falgun. 10th. Bashar al-Assad is the president of, this option number B, Syria. 11th. With which of the following countries Uttarakhand, Sikkim, Bengal, Uttar Pradesh and Bihar all have a frontier? This is option number D, Nepal. 12th. In under 19 ICC World Cup organized in Bangladesh in 2016, West Indies won the final by defeating which country? This is option number B, this India, and in this year, West Indies won the first under-19 ICC World Cricket Cup. Then 13. Silk Road train was in use in February 2016, which arrived in Tehran from China. Option number C. 14. In which of the following states Mr. Pawan Chamling became the longest serving chief minister? This is option number A, Sikkim. Mr. Pawan Chamling actually became the longest serving chief minister by 5 terms, surpassing the record set by the earlier chief minister, the former chief minister of West Bengal, Jyoti Basu. Then 15, the turbulent years is written by option number A, Pranab Mukherjee. 16, the second Buddhist council was held at option number A, Vaishali. 17, where did Gautam Buddha attain enlightenment? This is option number D, Bodh Gaya. Then we'll deal with question number 18. The number of tirthas given Arthashastra is, this is option number C, the total number of 18 tirthas given in Arthashastra, which is written by Kautilya. 19. Kanishka was the follower of which sect of Buddhism? This is option number B, Mahayana. Kanishka was the founder of the Kushan dynasty and he was follower of Buddhism. 20. Of which of the following rulers was Kaviraj a title? This is option number B, Samudragupta. So Samudragupta was given the title of Kaviraj. Then 21. Which of the following sultans was the first sultan who started the translation of religious texts of Hindus into Persian language? Option number A, Firoz Shah Tughlaq. 22. Which of the following regions was not assigned to Iqtidars by Alauddin Khilji? This is option number A, Marwan. 23. Which was the biggest gold coin in the reign of Akbar? This is option number D, Shahanshah. 24. During the Mughal period, agricultural loan that was given to the peasant was called option number B, Takavi. So this loan was actually given to the peasants during the harsh times like any famine or flood. So during this time, this kind of loan, this loan is actually provided to the peasants so that they can pay their agricultural taxes. 25. Who coined the word Pakistan? This is option number D, Chaudhary Rahmat Ali. 26. Who among the following was not in the cabinet mission? This is option number D, this is John Simon. 27. Who helped Shah Alam II to ascend the throne in Delhi in 1771? This is option number C, Mahatji Sindhia. He was the ruler of Gwalior, and with his help, Shah Alam II actually ruled Delhi between 1760 to 1806. Between this period, Shah Alam II ruled Delhi. 28. Who among the following made Sannyasi rebellion famous through his writings? This is option number A, Bankim Chandra Chattopadhyay. Then 29. Lokmanya Tilak founded the Home Rule League in April 1916 at option number B, Belgaum. 30. Who was the commander of the East India Company's army in the Battle of Buxar? He was option number C, Hector Munro. 31. Which of the following is not a ferromagnetic material? This is option number C, copper. So copper doesn't have this quality of magnetism in it. Then question number 32. If D1 and D2 are the powers of two lenses placed in contact, then the power of the combination will be, so the formula of the power of combination is P equal to P1 plus P2. So the correct option is option number A, D1 plus D2. 33. Electrons may be emitted from a metal surface if light falling on it has option number A, small wavelength. And this is also known as photoelectric something about that. Photoelectric something, this theory is called. Then 34. The practical unit of capacity of capacitor is, so the unit of capacitor is option number D, farad. Then question number 35. Which gas exists in the highest concentration in the Earth's atmosphere? This option number D, nitrogen. 36. The natural habitat of Indian lion is option number B, Gir forest in Gujarat. 37. Which of the following is not a major contributor to the greenhouse effect? This is option number B, this is hydrogen. And all the other three options are the major contributor to the greenhouse effect. like carbon dioxide, chlorofluorocarbons and methane gas. 38. More than 70% of the world's fresh water is contained in this option number B, glaciers and polar ice caps. 39. Which of the following is a dye? So dye is actually option number C, indigo. Then 40. Which of the following is an explosive? The correct option is option number C, it is TNT. 41. Which of the following disease is spread through air? This all of this like common cold, pneumonia and tuberculosis. 42. Alfonso is a variety of option number C, mango. 43. Pyorrhea is a disease of, this is actually a disease of gums. 44. Unit of sea distance is actually option number B, nautical mile. 45. Thickness of ozone layer is measured in, it is measured in option number B, Dobson. Name the river which crosses the equator twice. So this option number is Zaire, also known as Congo River. 47. Name the state having the lowest population density as per 2011 census. This option number C, Arunachal Pradesh. 48. Name the state having the largest area under forest. This option number B, Madhya Pradesh. 49. Which of the following countries is not included in Great Britain? This option number B, Northern Ireland. So Northern Ireland is a separate country and it is not included in Great Britain. 50. Which of the following state is the largest producer of rice in India? Option number D, West Bengal. 51. Which of the following state is the largest producer of pulses in India? This is option number D, Madhya Pradesh. 52. Which of the following African countries Abuja is the capital? Option number C, Nigeria. 53. Out of the following oceans, which one is the deepest? Option number B, Pacific Ocean. Then we'll deal with question number 54. Which of the following is the longest mountain range of the world? This is option number A, Andes. Then 55. Name the largest producer of iron ore state in India. This is option number C, Odisha. 56. The MRTP Act 1969 has been replaced by the Competition Act 2002, which is in effect from the year. So it came, it is in effect from the year option number B, 2009. 57. Which one of the following institution is operates in the capital market? This is option number C, investment bank. So investment bank actually deals with stock, shares and stock markets. So it operates in the capital market. 58. Which one of the following tax is not levied by the central government of India? This is option number C, entertainment tax, because entertainment tax is levied by the state government. 59. The main thrust of the industrial policy statement 1977 was an option number C, small and cottage industry. 60. Which industrial policy resolution has contemplated a mixed economy structure in India? This is option number A, industrial policy 1948. 61. In which state is the Jatapur nuclear plant situated? This is situated in Maharashtra and it's a proposed nuclear plant, and once built it would be the largest nuclear plant of the world in terms of its production. 62. When the rate of tax decreases as the tax base increases, then these taxes are called option number B, regressive tax. Under which article of the Constitution of India? Question number 63. The government of India can borrow on the security of the Consolidated Fund of India. This is option number B, Article 292. Article 292 deals with borrowing powers of the government. 64. Who gains during the period of rising prices? This is option number A, debtors. 65. Who has written the book Poverty and Un-British Rule in India? This is option number C, Dadabhai Naoroji. 66. Which part of the Indian Constitution is called the soul of the Constitution? This is option number D, preamble. 67. The Constitution of India was adopted on option number C, 26th November 1949, and from 26th January 1950 it came into force. 68. By which amendment right to property was abolished from the category of fundamental rights? This is option number C, 44. 69. The Parliament of India consists of option number B, the President, Lok Sabha and the Rajya Sabha. Then question number 17. The absence of President and Vice President, who officiates for the President? So in the absence of President and the Vice President, Chief Justice of the Supreme Court acts as the President. 71. Generally, the gap between two sessions of the Parliament should not be more than option number A, 6 months. 72. The judges of the Supreme Court can be removed from their office before their normal term by option number A, the President, on the recommendation of the two houses of Parliament. 73. Which one of the following is the highest revenue court? This is option number D, the Board of Revenue. 74. The real executive authority in a cabinet government rests with the option number A, the Council of Ministers. Then 75. Part 9A of the Indian Constitution is related to option number B, municipalities. 76. After whose failure was the Quit India movement launched by the Indian National Congress is option number A, Cripps Mission. 77. What was the main objective of Wahhabi movement? So its main objective of Wahhabi movement was for purification of Islam. The main purpose was to reinstate the purposes of the Islam. The main purposes of the Islam. 78. The Lucknow session of the Indian National Congress is presided over by option number D, Ambika Charan Majumdar. I hope you all know about the Lucknow session of the INC. So in this session, the moderates and the extremists, they actually joined the INC again. Then 79. Who among the following was an extremist leader? This is option number C, Aurobindo Ghosh. 80. Who was the pioneer of peasant movement in Bihar in the 1930s? This is option number B, Swami Sahajanand. 81. Name the famous cinema actor from Uttarakhand who was awarded for his best acting in France. So this is actually option number A, Nirmal Pandey. So Nirmal Pandey is actually a Bollywood actor and he is from Uttarakhand. 82. Who is the author of the book Borivali Se Boribandar Tak? This is option number D, Shailesh Matiani. 83. When was the sub-office of RBI established in Uttarakhand? This is option number C, 30 June 2016. So these questions are actually based on the general studies of the state of Uttarakhand. So I'll take a separate session on that about the important and the expected questions from the state of Uttarakhand that you may see this year. Question number 84. Which district is known as Copper City? This is option number D, Almora. 85. Which district of Uttarakhand has the highest rural population as per census of 2011? This is option number A, Udham Singh Nagar. 86. Which one among the following is a Kumaoni language film? This is option number A, Megha A. 87. In the name of Dronacharya, which place is known as Dron Ghati? This is option number D, Dehradun. So Dehradun is also known as the abode of Guru Dronacharya. 88. In which district of Uttarakhand Bagnath temple is located? This is option number C, Bageshwar. 89. During the period of Chand dynasty in Uttarakhand, the landowner was called as Thatwan. So this Chand dynasty actually belonged from Almora district in Uttarakhand. 90. Which district of Uttarakhand produces maximum sugarcane? Again, Udham Singh Nagar. 91. Chipko movement was first started from the district of Chamoli. So this movement was started to stop the unprecedented amount of uprooting of trees by the government. Then 92. Which district of Uttarakhand has the highest number of development blocks? This is option number A, Pauri Gharwal. 93. On which date the name of Uttaranchal was changed to Uttarakhand? This is option number C, 1st January 2007. Let me share with you a quick fact. The state of Uttaranchal or Uttarakhand that came into being on 9th of November 2001. It was the 27th state of India, and later on the name Uttaranchal was actually changed to Uttarakhand on 1st of January 2007. 94. In Uttarakhand, the revenue police system was introduced in option number 1860. 95. When was the reservation quota for women in Panchayat increased from 33% to 50% in Uttarakhand? This is option number D, 2008. 96. Who elects the head of block Pramukh? This is option number B, members of Panchayat. 97. The minimum age of candidate for the election of Gram Pradhan will be option number B, 21 years. 98. Bugyals are the grass field in high Himalayan area. Option number C. 99. The author of The Valley of Flower is this option number D, Frank S. Smythe. And the last question, the Ganga was declared a national river on option number C, 4th of November 2008. So I have a question for you today. There are two rivers which actually form the Ganga. So you need to mention the name of these two rivers in the comment section below, whose confluence is known as Ganga. So this is the session for today, and I hope you all have liked it. Do not forget to give a like, share and subscribe to the channel. So till we meet the next time, thank you and have a nice day.